Hello there, guys. How you doing? I haven't sat down on this particular desk for a very long time. I don't know if you remember, I used to do lots of live shows, including a lot of developers, a lot of manufacturers, and a lot of people come down into my channel for just for the fun of it. And I've got messages so far. People say, I missed the live show. And I got to be honest with you, I missed the live show too. But today I'm going to tell you something that is very interesting, very important. Is a lot of you actually, I've noticed because of what questions you have an iPhone or an Android phone. Now this is an Android phone. I'm not sure if you can see it because of my green screen, but there is. This is an Android phone. On my phone, we're not going to discuss what my phone is right now. We'll do a different video about it. But whether you have an Android or an iPhone or something else, a lot of you actually stuck with that particular phone because of one major reason. An application that you all like to move on to a different phone, but it takes you a long time to move from one device to another. Now, this is very important. Now, the most important thing is that you always stick to a good application that has got a cross-platform design that keeps going from one device to the other. The biggest problem is that people use Notes. Notes is everybody uses Notes. You keep your passwords, you keep your something special, you keep your birthdays, you keep your calendars. Sometimes you just keep everything in Notes. You shouldn't really, but you do. I know you do. Come on, be serious. You do it, don't you? Leave me a comment down below if you think you do or not, okay? And now, once you have actually done everything up and sorted out, the problem is that you have is that you can't move from one phone to another until your notes have been transferred. So this is what you need to do. I'm going to show you here. Okay, so this is Google. I'm going to type in here, Notes. Now, the first one that comes up is Google Keep Notes. All right, I'm going to click on it. Now, look at this. I'm not going to show you. Yeah, I won't show my stuff. But basically, Notes is available from Google. Now, if you use that particular Google Notes, you can go from any phone to another phone. Any phone you want to. Jumping from this phone to the other phone to another phone. But keep the same notes. You don't need to copy them anymore. You can just stick to one particular note. A lot of you actually, this is really this to the people that have got problem with keeping their notes into the official notes application of your phone. Don't ever do that. Because if you do that, you're in trouble. You're causing yourself a trouble. All right. I'm going to leave it as that. Press the if you guys like this. I'm going to try to keep updating you with new stuff every other day. Yeah, this one is very important. I know a lot of people actually say, oh, you know what, this is not part of your channel. This actually is, kind of is, because I want to expand my channel and I've already done it before, doing things about mobile phones, or smartphones, and the non-smartphones. There is smart and non-smart. Right. That's a different discussion for another day. Thank you guys for watching. Leave me down comment that below if you are using the new Google fonts or Google Notes. All right, let me just see. There it is. Google Keep. If you're using that, then fine. That's good. Use that one. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys later.